Kinakabahan ka ba sa future mo? The other day, I took a Grab ride at napansin ko yung rear view mirror ng driver. Instead na rear view mirror lang, video siya. Video ng harapan at video ng likuran. I found this quite interesting. This leads me to reflect about the future and the past. Yung tanong ko sa'yo, excited ka ba sa future mo? Or kinakabahan ka? Natatakot ka? Are there so many uncertainties that thinking about your future brings you some anxieties? But you know what? God holds the future. At ang gusto niyang kinabukasan para sa atin ay isang magandang kinabukasan. Sabi nga sa Jeremiah, a future full of hope. Siguro kung kinakabahan ka sa future mo, you can do these 3 things. First is plan for your future. Kaya ka siguro kinakabahan kasi wala kang plano. Try to lay down your plans. Try to determine what you want and pray if this is what God also wants for your future. Pangalawa, look back on the lessons of your past. Ano ba yung mga wisdom na pwede mong makuha, lalo na sa mga painful experiences o kaya sa mga successes mo that you can level up even more. Third is, make the most out of your present situation. Walang mangyayari sa future mo kung parati mo tong iniisip. Kailangan gumalaw ka ngayon so that your plans for the future will happen. Ika nga, be present. Kasi minsan kahit nandito tayo, yung ating isipan ay nasa mga pagkakamali natin o sa kaba natin sa future. Kaya focus on the present. Give your best today. Para yung kaba mo sa kinabukasan ay mawala. My prayer for you is to trust God and give it your all today.